Why not?
You have to talk.
You want to introduce yourself?
No.
No?
I'm just the kid with the red shirt and the red tractor.
This is Camden, right there in the red. And that's Greg, his father. They're here saving us from our excavation disaster. Saving our lives. You guys make a great team out there.
Yeah.
Try not to run into each other.
Yeah, right?
The whole thing is communication.
Yeah. You guys got walkie-talkies in there?
Horns.
Just the horns.
Horns and hand signals.
Yep.
How long you been driving the tractor, Camden?
I don't know, not very long.
A couple years.
Well, that's not bad. And how old are you?
12.
Nice. That's awesome. So you started driving the tractor with your dad when you were 10?
Yeah, kinda.
Wow. Very impressive.
After a little while, it just becomes automatic. Like,
After you get used to it? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just like playing a video game, right?
yeah.
That's awesome. You're tall for 12. You're almost as tall as your dad.
He's always doing
Wow.
one of these.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. I'll
Yep.
let you finish your break.
Alrighty.
It's hot out here.
It is.
Yep.
We have a new member of the crew. We're gonna go meet him.
Spencer.
Is it Spencer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spencer. And
For flattening, for
we're just grading.
Shabbing.
Making it.
to sit on.
So do you drive tractor too, like your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not really the excavator, but the tractor.
The red tractor.
I'm better at operating the excavator.
Yeah.
him.
I think I've driven the excavator like once, and I've driven the tractor quite a bit
How long have you been driving the red tractor?
Just as long
since
as I
like
have.
we moved up here.
Oh,
Like
okay. So
2018.
you okay?
Like 2 years, pretty much.
Okay, that makes sense.
Basically, every time I've been on it, he's been on it.
So you were 8 when you started driving.
Yeah, I'm
the
8.
tractor,
Or I was 8. Now I'm 10.
and then you started at 10.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's an awesome skill to learn at such a young age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah, I bet.
So did you guys see what just happened? The drone flew into the tree. I didn't do it. He did it.
Camden.
He flew the drone into the tree. Do you believe that shit? Luckily it's still alive.
I was going for an epic shot of the whole thing, and then bzzz, in a tree.
Yep, paying attention to the screen and not the drone.
That was exactly what happened.
Yeah, I know it's exactly what happened.
So when we started this morning, we just kind of cut the lot in half and said, okay, you're gonna put the cabins back there, so let's level that part. So we put the transit out and found that there was it looked level to the eye, but once the transit was set, there's actually a crown in the middle that was 10 inches higher than the outside.
Right.
So once you brought it out, 30 feet from the center, you were 10 inches low from the middle. So
Right.
we just came in and bladed it down, cut the crown out, and it's not perfectly level now, but I've got it within like 2 inches of the highs and lows. And the idea is if you're going to bring in 6 inches of base rock.
So it's 2 inches that way, right? So the
Well,
high side's on the back, or
I just went and stuck it in a whole bunch of spots, and so if I was plus or minus 2 inches,
you were good.
I left it there thinking that, well, as I'm grading, I'm pulling up like sticks and stumps and big rocks.
Yeah.
But once you bring in a good layer of base rock, we can go cut it back and smooth it out. But I don't want you to have to bring in 10 inches
I don't want to
of
do
base
that
rock.
All we're moving down this time is just that shed up there.
Oh.
And it's going to go in that corner.
Yeah, the corner the tractor's in. And then next year we'll bring the cabin over.
Then we
Yeah.
can start build.
And we can start the build. Yeah.